what do you do if you need to remove customer data? Well, the law or laws such as the GDPR introduce a right for individuals to have personal data erased, and the right of erasure is also known as the right to be forgotten. Anonymisation is the recommended approach for implementing the right to be forgotten for an individual prospect or customer. Anonymisation is better than the deletion of records in most cases. For example, deleting a company may have a big impact on the integration with an accounting system, but you'd also need to understand all of the parent-child hierarchy with not just the core system entities, but also the custom entities. And then there's the whole question about the commercial and operational impacts. For example, would it be right to delete opportunities in cases? How would this affect the performance stats for individuals and teams? And how would you keep historical information that is used then to calculate likely future conversion rates or are used in forecasting? Note that in Sage CRM also a delete is typically a soft delete, therefore the record remains inside the table. So in any case, personal data fields should be anonymized before deletion. Customers may need to anonymize a large group of data, for example, where there is no permission or consent to market to a large group of contacts. And after the GDPR comes into force, mass anonymization of fields into a group of records is possible in Sage CRM via this mass update functionality. And this will allow you to anonymize personal information. You can see you can choose the item and then you'll be able to substitute it for whatever token you wanted to use to represent the anonymized data, XXX, etc.